Hi everyone! In today's tutorial, we're painting a watercolor hydrangea bloom using only an angle brush. Lightly sketch your hydrangea shape. This is just your guide for where your petals will sit. For this painting, I'm using the angle brush from the Black by Craftamo brush set. It's perfect for creating petal shapes with just one stroke. You can use any mix of blues, violets, and pinks for that classy hydrangea look. Or experiment with your favorite colors. Start with a soft, watery wash using your lightest color. This sets the overall tone and keeps your petals cohesive. Blend soft gradients of pink, violet, and blue to create that natural color flow of hydrangeas. Let this layer dry completely before adding details. Once your base wash is dry, use your angle brush to paint the fine petals on top. Press, twist, and leaf. The brush shape does the work for you. Alternate between lighter and darker tones to make each petal stand out while still feeling soft and airy. Now, deepen the shadows in the inner parts of the bloom, where petals overlap or where the light doesn't hit directly. Use the brush's tip to tuck darker tones in small spaces. This step gives your hydrangea that rounded, full look. Now, it's time to balance your flower with a few fresh leaves. Use the angle brush's flat edge to shape the leaves. And just like that, you've painted a hydrangea with one brush. If you paint along, tag us at Craftamo so we can feature your artwork. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and as always, let your creativity run wild.